In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Excel link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to work and what to click, so you can quickly share access without sending bulky attachments or worrying about version control. First, make sure you're working in Excel Online. That simply means you're opening your workbook in a web browser, not the desktop app. Excel Online is built for easy sharing because your file lives in the cloud, typically in OneDrive or SharePoint. If you're signed in and you can see your workbook in the browser with the familiar Excel ribbon, you're in the right place. This setup ensures others can open the same file through a link and always see the most recent version. Once your workbook is open in Excel Online, look toward the top right corner of the screen. That's where the Share button lives. It usually says Share and may include an icon that looks like an arrow or a person. Give that Share button a click. Doing this opens the sharing panel, which slides in from the right or appears in a pop-up depending on your layout. This is the hub for everything related to sharing your workbook via a link. Inside this panel, you'll see clear options that relate to how you want to share. Excel Online centralizes link sharing here, so you don't have to dig through menus. You'll notice settings that control who can open the link and whether people can edit or just view. You'll also see a way to generate a link you can copy and paste into an email, a chat, or a document. Even if you're collaborating across teams, this sharing panel keeps it simple by keeping all link-related controls in one place. If you don't see the Share button, double-check that you're truly in Excel Online and not the desktop app. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable and that you're not viewing a read-only preview. Switching to editing mode in your browser generally brings the Share option into view. To recap the essentials, open your workbook in Excel Online so it's ready for cloud-based collaboration. Then click the Share button in the top right corner. That's the doorway to creating and managing a shareable link. From there, you'll find the options you need in a single, straightforward panel, making it easy to provide access while keeping your file organized and up to date.